How much time do you spend on your phone, computer, or TV every day? What if I told you all that screen time could be harming your health in ways you're not even aware of? Stick around to discover the hidden costs of screen addiction and how to fix it before it's too late. Are you spending too much time in front of a screen? It's easy to get lost in the digital world, but how is it affecting your health? Today, we're diving into the impact of screen time on your body and mind and how to fix it for a healthier life. Let's face it, screen time is a big part of our daily lives. Whether it's for work, entertainment, or socializing, screens are everywhere. But did you know that excessive screen time can have serious effects on your health? From eye strain and headaches to poor posture and back pain, the consequences of too much screen time can creep up on you. The blue light emitted by devices disrupts your sleep cycle, leading to insomnia and poor quality sleep. And, of course, all that time sitting can lead to weight gain, muscle stiffness, and even cardiovascular issues. But the impacts aren't just physical. The mental health toll of excessive screen time is significant too. Social media and endless notifications can trigger stress, anxiety, and depression. Studies show that the more time you spend online, the more disconnected you may feel from real-world relationships and activities. The constant comparison to others can lower your self-esteem and increase feelings of loneliness. The good news? There are ways to fix it, and it all starts with balance. First, it's important to set boundaries with your screen time. Try limiting your screen use to specific periods of the day. The 20-20-20 rule is a simple yet effective technique. Every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds to give your eyes a break. Next, incorporate movement into your day. Stand up, stretch, or take short walks to improve circulation and prevent stiffness. Simple exercises can also counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. Don't forget to make time for sleep. Turn off screens an hour before bed to give your brain time to wind down. Finally, replace mindless screen time with activities that nourish your body and mind. Read a book, try a hobby, or connect with loved ones face-to-face to reduce screen dependency. By taking small, intentional steps, you can protect your health while still enjoying the digital world. If you're ready to take control of your screen time and improve your well-being, hit the like button and subscribe to Holistic Health Hub for more practical tips on living a healthier life. Together, we can create a more balanced and mindful lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is your greatest asset. Take care of it one step at a time.